When it comes to lighting a charcoal barbecue, let me ask you one question. Are you still lighting your barbecue like this? Are you still making a mountain of briquettes or charcoal on your barbecue, dousing it with lots of lighter fluid or lots of cheap lighter cubes to get your barbecue going? If so, then if there's one upgrade you're going to do this year with your home barbecue, and that is to stop doing this and get yourself one of these chimney starters. They're not very expensive. All you do is put all your briquettes or charcoal in one of these. Get yourself some decent lighter cubes. I use these Weber ones. These are individually wrapped. You can also get some very good natural lighter cubes, which are also really good. I particularly like these. They don't leave any chemical aftertastes or smells on your charcoal or on the food that you're cooking. With these lighter cubes, all you do is light them, put the chimney starter on top of a couple of lighter cubes, leave that going for about 10 minutes, it'll get really hot, and that's it. Dead easy, and this has to be by far the best way to light your barbecue. After about 10 minutes, you can see the charcoals in the chimney starter are red hot. So at this point, all you would do is empty your briquettes or charcoal directly onto the grate below, or I like to use these charcoal baskets. So simply tip the charcoal out into the charcoal baskets, position the charcoal baskets exactly where you want them in the barbecue, put the cooking grate on, and that's it. Have you ever seen charcoal or briquettes light quicker or easier than that? Thank you for watching.